Azuero Peninsula, here I come, finally. So, I've seen a concerted amount of interest in the Azuero Peninsula in the comments as I make my way around Panama and bring all of those visuals and information to you. So, for those who don't know, the Azuero Peninsula is that little peninsula that's on the south coast of Panama, and it comprises of places like Playa Banao, Santa Catalina, etc. So, it's not small by any means, and it'll take me a bit of time. So this is my first installation of that, where I bring to you the area of Santa Catalina. So I'm meeting up with a friend of mine. His name is Brett, and he's going to be not only accommodating me but showing me around and checking all the cool spots and the things to do there. It's a very beach lifestyle like community, so lots of surfing, lots of underwater diving, and so on and so forth. So I'm no stranger to any of these things, so I'm pretty excited about it, and I have my surfboard there with me just in case things get really good. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Stoked! There's a main highway to get to Santa Catalina, which is nice, but I completely ignored in typical adventure-rich fashion, and I veered off onto a road that looked like it would be a nice scenic route to the same place, and I was right. Check this out. Nothing short of majestic. So, yep, let's carry on. Let's see what else we get on the way there. Brett, I'm sorry I'm taking so long to get to you, but this country is too beautiful, man. I'm beginning to wonder if this was a good idea. It shows as a road on Google Maps, but I don't know if this exactly qualifies as a road. Or even if it does, I don't know if I'll actually get through. They call us adventure for a reason, right? I'm checking the terrain to see if my trusty little mobile will be able to make it up this. Looks pretty sketch. I can barely walk on this without sliding around, so I just may have to go back the other way that I came from, or find my way through this. Ah boy, well, I saw a guy with a horse somewhere around coming this way, so hopefully that helps if I do get stuck. I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I totally should have recorded that. My heart is in my mouth, but I made it through that first point. I'm hoping it just unfolds into a normal road again after this point. Let's see, right? Woo! That was good. So I think Google set me up. This is slowly becoming a one-laner. I'm walking ahead to see if I can actually push through it to get back to something that looks like it's not just a walking path, but a car can drive through. Yeah, I think I could. I guess it's just that a car hasn't been through here in a very long time. Let's push through, mash down some bush and see if I get back onto some main road that takes me by Brett. Oh man, I told this guy it was going to take me 3.5 hours to get there. It's been 2 already and I'm not even anywhere close. don't see this as being a road that connects to another road. I don't know. It feels like just a walking path or a horsey path now. And he keeps freaking out, poor fellow. I better get out to this road soon because looks like rain is coming, and rain makes a trail a lot sketchier than it usually just is on its own. So I'm seeing some concrete roads, but to get there I have to pass through some stuff. Let's see. So yeah, I'm covered in sweat. A little sketchy, but fun. Let's see what else this road brings. Hopefully I should be back out on the main road soon. The rain is coming. So I just got stuck twice more in way more sketch situations than I could have recorded. We're getting through this. We're going. Oh, hell no. Well, it looks like I'll have to pull a tree out of the way. Wow, I really asked for this. I have a blade. Maybe I can chop through it. Let's see. So all those videos I've been looking at online definitely helped in that situation. Thankfully I had some of the tools that I needed. I know some of those weren't best practice. I didn't have a tree saver. I shouldn't be dragging a strap along a tree to pull another one out of the way and all of that. Thankfully it was a smaller tree than usual. I don't know what else is next. Hopefully a road. Hopefully there isn't any more trees I need to chop through. Not that was too bad, but I think Brett must be worried by now, so let me get some reception somewhere and at least call him. This is fun, but I'm ready to get out. Whew, Houston, we have a road. Time to call Brett.
Hey Richard.
Hey Brett, how you doing?
Good.
I may have taken a wrong turn or two and ended up in quite an adventure.
Wow.
But it seems to be like I'm back on asphalt, so I should be another 2 hours before I get to you.
Holy sh! The shortcut was a very long cut.
It was.
Well, yeah, send me your live location.
Sweet.
Cool, man.
So I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, bye.
Bye. Okay, so thankfully he's not upset. Well, I hope he's not. Let's get this done. Let's do this. So I just hit the coast and it's not the most epic looking day, but it's still beautiful. I'm assuming the skies will clear up later on and so on for me to get better footage, but I'm still about an hour and 45 minutes out from by Brett, so I'm just gonna chug along on this nice flat asphalt road. Easy cruising for now. Ah, it's coming at me. They're coming at me. Ah! Hola.
Hola.
That was kind of cool. Alright, so I got to the place finally. It's called Lago Bay, and that's Brett over there. He's the one that's going to kind of accommodate me and show me across the property that he wanted me to see, and just kind of help me get all the things of Santa Catalina that I can possibly get. Very, very, very exciting, and I got some lunch, so I'm raring and ready to go again. Let's do this. Good morning, everyone. I did not close off the vlog yesterday. So much happened since I got here, and then electricity went last night, so I couldn't even use some light to really close this off. So I'm closing this one off by saying welcome to Lago Bay in Santa Catalina, and I'm going to show you a lot more. Be sure to like and subscribe, and especially if this is the kind of content that resonates with you. And there's a lot more coming. Share it around, show people the adventures, and the next couple episodes are really going to show this side of the Azuero Peninsula. Welcome.